In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly rotate your elements here in Google Slides. So when I say elements, these are your text, your images, your shapes, whatever you add into your slides, we can quickly rotate them. And here's how to do it. We have our example slide right here. I have an image of an apple. We have some text. Now what I want to do on this slide is I want to add some shapes that will be in the corners and will act as a border for this slide. And also another image right here of a tree. In previous videos that I've shown you, I've rotated shapes or elements like this. So I click on it, right click on it, and then go to rotate. You have your rotate clockwise 90 degrees, rotate counterclockwise. You can also flip these elements horizontally or vertically, or you can also go to format options, go to size and rotation, and choose from these options. Now to quickly rotate your elements, all you have to do is to hover over this little dot at the top right here. Once your cursor does turn into this black plus sign, click on it, hold on to that left click, and now you can rotate it to the left, to the right, or even all the way around. So once you click on it, you'll see this 0 degrees right beside it, indicating the angle of which you're rotating your elements to. So you have your rotation to the left, to the right, or all the way around. It's totally up to you. Once you release that drag, it will be positioned to the angle that you desire. So again, you can also do this with your text or your text box. Just go to this little dot at the top right here, hover over it. Once your cursor changes into that plus sign, click on it and hold on to that click, and you can drag it to the left or right and rotate it as far as you want to. So if you release it, it will be positioned to that angle. One more time, let's do that. We're going to do it to this bigger text box. I'm going to rotate it a little to the right, like so, and there you have it. So we don't really need to rotate these elements right here. I'm just going to undo those actions. There we have it. What I wanted to do was to add some shapes that will act as some sort of border on these two corners right here. And I'm also going to add an image of a tree over here. So let's do that. I'm going to go to shape here in the toolbar, click on it, select shapes, and I'm going to select a rectangle. I'm going to draw my rectangle like so, zoom out a little. Now we're going to click on that rotation thing right there, hold on to that left click, and drag it to your desired angle. So I want it to be slanted like this way, and I'm going to drag it to the corner like so. Resize it a little, not to make it too big. And there we have it. Now I'm going to format this, fill it with a color different to that one, and I'm going to remove the border, make it transparent. And there you have it. Now I'm just going to click on this, right click on it and copy it, and then paste it so that I can just drag it down over here. And there you have it. Now if we go to our film strip, you'll see a preview of how it's going to look like. It looks pretty good to me. You can also go to slideshow to have a preview, and that is already looking good with just adding those accents to the corners right there. Now if we just close that and add another element, again I'm going to add a tree right here. I'm going to go to insert image, search the web. I just typed in tree PNG, and I have my images right here. I'm going to select the first one and click on insert. Now you know it's a PNG because there's no background to this image right here. So I'm going to place it right here. And again, we're going to rotate it with this same thing. Click on it, hold on to that left click, and rotate it to the angle that you desire. So I just want it to look that way. Drag it to the right a little bit more, make it bigger, reposition it again, and there you have it. So again, that's how it looks like right now. If we go to slideshow to have a better view, and there you have it. Now it's looking pretty good, and that's how to quickly rotate elements here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.